Here I have Realme 9 Pro Plus, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Do Not Disturb mode on this device, and also how you can change some of its settings. Firstly, you have to go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button Do Not Disturb. So by tapping on it once, you can switch this mode. By holding your finger on it, you can access some of its settings. So like, you can set up a schedule for this mode. Like, you can change its name, start time, end time, and also days on which it will repeat. You can also allow notifications, like from these ones. You can allow messages from anyone, from contacts only, from starred contacts only, or from nobody. You can also allow calls. There's also an option ring for repeated calls. A second call from the same number within 3 minutes will not be silenced. And you can also silence media when Do Not Disturb is on. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.